Tommy, this is my last day at Mairani Bay Primary School. Firstly, thank you Mrs. Wyman for being my teacher for a month, and thank you to all my friends for helping me and being my friends. I really enjoyed myself in New Zealand, and see you again later in next year. Thank you, the love. I love you.
Oh, that's sweet. And you have made some really, really good friends. So when you come back in your next holidays, at the beginning of next year maybe, you might be in the class with some of these people again. And Tommy has brought a little gift for each of you, and we'll give that out just before home time, because it's something to eat and we need to take it home.